Genesis Mixed Farm, which is located in the Yumbe district in Northern Uganda. It's a farm that is seated in 300 acres of land. This farm, currently we have goats, and of course the plan is that as it is a mixed farm, we want to have different components that will be in this farm, and that will include poultry, piggery, and we also want to grow crops like maize, cassava, beans, and we also want to grow fruit trees here in this farm. And of course the plan is that we really want to make this farm as one of the centers of excellence here in Yumbe district, which also serve other parts of northern Uganda, so that at least farmers from different districts can come and train from this Genesis Mixed Farm, which is located in Yumbe district. And we are also very grateful to mini farms that currently are working together with us to really grow the broader vision of this farm, and we are happy to work together with them in this journey to see that we really achieve all the objectives and the goal of this farm, so that at least one day we will be able to say that yes, we started from this point, but we have been together with the mini farms, we are able to reach to our desired goal. And with this, we will definitely be able to really see that farmers who come and train from there, from this farm, also continue to do the same in different parts of the district. Otherwise, thank you so much, and we look forward to really developing Genesis Mixed Farm in collaboration with the mini farms. Thank you.